Christmas tree. Come along, let's all do it together.
Grandma, I am confused. Are there two Christmases? Stanley says Christmas is Santa Claus and presents, and Alex says Christmas is Jesus' birthday. Yes, it's Jesus' birthday. No, it's Santa Claus and presents.
Oh my! Maybe we need to sit down and discuss this.
Grandma, can you tell us about Santa Claus and presents?
Okay, we'll talk about them, and then we'll talk about the story of Christmas and Jesus' birth that you learned in Sunday school.
Grandma, why do we have wreaths and Christmas trees?
Well, look at the wreath. What shape is it?
It's round like a crown.
Right. It reminds us of the crown that Jesus wore. There is no end. Also, it is evergreen or everlasting, just like God.
What about the Christmas tree, Grandma? Well, it looks pretty with the lights on it.
You are all right. And Christmas, what time of the year does it come at?
In the winter, in December.
There are no flowers in bloom, and December can be a bit dreary. So we bring evergreens into the house to decorate it and to make it cheerful.
So, what about the candles? We don't need them. We have electricity.
That is true. So what do the candles remind us of?
I know, in Sunday school we learned that Jesus is the light of the world. Why do we have bells?
Well, bells are used to give messages. Church bells tell us when it is time to come to church. Bells have been used to send good news. What better way to announce the news of Jesus' birth? Now, let's talk about the story of Jesus' birth. Lisa, can you tell me something about the birth of Jesus that you learned in Sunday school?
Well, there was a man named Joseph and a lady named Mary who lived in Nazareth. She was going to have a baby and they had to go to Bethlehem.
Why did they have to go to Bethlehem?
They had to pay some taxes.
And how did they get there?
Joseph walked and Mary rode a donkey. When they got to Bethlehem, they had to stay in a stable because there was no room at the inn.
Alex, what happened when they were in Bethlehem?
Mary had a baby boy.
And what did she name her baby boy?
She named him Jesus.
No hope for our dead, the little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the bright sky looked down lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay.
And who was the special baby called Jesus?
He was the Son of God.
And where did the baby sleep?
In a manger.
It came upon a midnight gleam.
And did anything else happen that night?
There were shepherds out in the field, and angels appeared to them and told them about Jesus being born in Bethlehem.
Then Stanley, what did the shepherds do?
They went to Bethlehem to see the baby Jesus.
We saw the emperor joined from heaven's all gracious King. The world in song.
Okay, Alex. We are coming to that. The three kings from the east came to see the baby Jesus. But do you know they were not just kings, but wise men.
Kings of Orient are bearing
Who with their knowledge and wisdom realized that seeking God and finding Him is true wisdom. And you know, even today, people who are wise seek God.
perfect love.
അടുത്ത ഹിമം അതിനെ തുടർന്ന് ആശീർവാദവും അതോടെ ഈ ക്രിസ്മസ് സന്ധ്യയുടെ പൂർണ്ണമാവുകയാണ്. നാളെ രാവിലെ 8 മണിക്ക് മലയാളത്തിൽ വിശുദ്ധ കുർബാന ശുശ്രൂഷ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. 25-ാം തീയതി ക്രിസ്മസ് ദിനത്തിൽ രാവിലെ 5:30 ക്രിസ്മസ് ശുശ്രൂഷയും വിശുദ്ധ കുർബാനയും ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. എല്ലാവരും സകുടുംബം ഈ ശുശ്രൂഷകളിൽ ഒരുങ്ങി വന്ന് സംബന്ധിക്കണം. ചെറിയ വർഗീസ് സാർ എല്ലാവർക്കും കൃതജ്ഞത പറഞ്ഞു.